Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Second World Tour Summit. As you know, thoracic outlet syndrome is like an orphan disease. There are plenty of controversies regarding diagnosis, regarding management, outcome, and there are challenges that should be solved. Here, we are a mixture of several nations. We hope we can do something for those patients complaining of thoracic outlet syndrome. I just want to attend your attention to the attendees of this event, who we are today. We are gathering from more than 16 countries, people are represented from more than 16 countries. We hope together enjoy these two-day activities, and in this way you may fill a gap that's created in the literature regarding thoracic outlet syndrome. The question, is it strange to come to Iraq for scientific purpose? Is that strange? For today, yes. But if you go back to the history, of course, no. Before 12 centuries, in the era of Abbasid Caliphate, there was a center in the world for science. It was Baghdad. And this demonstration, there's a house in the center of this demonstration. It is a house of wisdom. It's a Baytul Hikmah. At that time, it was a great center worldwide for scholars, scientists, and experts to exchange knowledge, exchange culture. So your attendance here, just connecting present to the past. Don't forget, even writing and reading invented in this region. So for us, if you go back to the history, it's not strange to come to Iraq for scientific purpose. It's just a continuation of that legacy. Again, welcome to the Second World Tour Summit. Welcome to the modern House of Wisdom. Thank you.